Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus to an iPhone 11. Now, of course, this works the same for the iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max for as long as you have iOS 13 or iOS 12. All right, so let's get started. So basically on your iPhone 11, we'll go ahead into the main settings to turn on the Bluetooth settings. So we'll go into settings here, then we'll go to where it says Bluetooth and turn it on from here. This way you can actually see what's going on. Now with the Galaxy Buds Plus, all you have to do is just open up the case lid, leave it open, wait for the green light, or just wait until it lights up in green like this, and then you'll see Galaxy Buds Plus show up on your iPhone 11. Now you don't need an app for this to work. Once you see it, just tap on it, it will pair, and you can actually use this to make calls with it on an iPhone, which is really cool, and I like that. So if this guide was helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and thanks for watching. Catch you in the next guide. See you.